Today we're going to go through the 2018 66 Fly Azimut. This is a 4-stateroom, 3-head boat with a cruise quarters in the back for 2. And come on, we're going to start off in this area first. So the crew can access through the back transom. You got one bed and then another bed going bow to stern there, which is really nice. The platform you're standing on right here is a hydraulic swim platform where you can put a tender. So this platform will go down in the water. It can even act as a beach as well. One of the nice things this boat's equipped with is a gangway. And we're gonna open it up here so you can kind of see what this is about. But this will telescope out. It hides away underneath the steps going up to the aft deck. We'll see how this ladder pops up, handrail, and gives you access to the dock. Very convenient, easy to use, doesn't stick out from the boat when you're running, it hides away underneath the aft deck. As you make your way up to the aft area here, we got a very large teak table with seating for 6 to 8, extremely comfortable, plus 2 chairs here as well. We also, over here in the corner, we got a nice sink, as well as some refrigeration. Great storage underneath the stairs, going up to the bridge, underneath this entire area. Then we got a nice, huge stainless door that'll take you into the interior of the boat. As you enter into the salon, we got dark oak wood floors. Great seating on both sides here. A lot of boats in this size range only have a couch on the starboard port. This boat, the way it's laid out and designed, allows seating for easily 8 to 10 people comfortably. What's real nice as you make your way in is all the glassware is accented here with some lighting, but all of it's easy to get to. And then inside here, as we open all these drawers up, it's going to be all your cups, your plates, and everything you need, all stored away so it's safe while you're running the boat. As you make your way up here to the galley in the dinette area, great seating up here for 8 people, very, very comfortably, and then a very, very nice galley on this side as well. Got a Miele convection microwave. You've got a great refrigerator, dual freezers, all your silverware. Nice little place for it right here in the galley. As you make your way to the helm, this boat's equipped with a seakeeper, as well as the latest, greatest Raymarine G-Series, your bow and stern thrusters as well. And we added an extra seat up here to have dual helm seats at the lower helm as well as the upper helm. One neat feature they put here was they have a couple extra bar stools on this side, so if 4 people want to sit up front while you're running the boat, you can, and they've got a little tray here for food or drinks that you can set here. So this is a really nice little feature that they put together. As you make your way down the stairs to the 4 staterooms, above you is a great atrium feel. So you got a lot of light down in the companionway. The master is midship, queen size bed, easy access around both sides. Got a real nice vanity to your starboard with 2 little seats here as well. Great storage, hanging locker, and another hanging locker on this side as well, which is more for shoes and stuff. One of the nice things about this master as you look in here is both the windows on both sides. Enormous windows, a lot of natural light, sitting anchored out for the day. You're going to enjoy the blue water. The head has a separate shower, which is real nice with teak floors, and very, very roomy for that. As you make your way out of the master, we have bunk rooms on the port side and single side-by-sides on the starboard side. These 2 rooms here will share the day head. And then the VIP up on the bow room. It's a nice sized bed with walk around. And then over on the port side here, you're going to have a nice head with a separate shower with teak floors as well. So as we make our way up through the galley and dinette again and past the helm, go ahead and take a look at the bridge now. Nice teak stairs all the way up to the bridge. With the hydraulic swim platform being on the back and not having to put a tender up here, we're able to use the entire length of this 66-foot Azimut for entertaining. So this area back here is just enormous. This bridge is just set up for really anything that you want to do on a long cruise to entertaining your guests. Huge teak table, seating again up here for 6 to 8, and then in the back you've got all the seating as we had mentioned. Nice barbecue grill up top with a sink. Ice maker, refrigerator. Everything you need up on the bridge. And then you have an additional seating up here next to the helm, where if the captain and his mate got dual chairs up here, everybody can sit up here together, which is real nice. This boat is also equipped with a hardtop, but also the center of this has an opening sunroof, which makes it real nice. So as you move your way forward on the bridge and you take a glance of the bow, that bow seating is enormous. Very well positioned. It's a comfortable seating and has an electric bimini that opens up to give you sunshade up on the bow. Well, we appreciate your time, and we look forward to talking to you further about the 66 Fly Azimut 2018.